guys, today we talk about how can you change language on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just go above this sign, click on it here, and you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click on language here, and you just click here on language. You come to next step here, and here you select here language here, any language you want to add. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.